The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com.
Hello everybody, this is Coach D with TackleTrading.com, here to give you a market update and recap for today, the 26th of January 2016. Taking a look at the broad market index, the futures/ES, there's a couple of technical things in here I want to highlight out. So actually what I want to do is kind of, one, just look at the overall big condition. What we are looking at here is, one, a huge drop. Remember, a lot of downward momentum. Short-term rally. It's kind of coming into the backside of a trend zone. There's a fib ratio right there, 38.2% of this drop is right there, 38.2% being the magic Fibonacci. And we see the volume heavy on the drop, peaking at the support zone and then waning and then starting to pick up again, as we might be seeing a reversal. So that's kind of where we're sitting on the market as far as technical analysis goes. Let's take a look here real quick at let's zoom in on that. Kind of make sure you understand what's going on with those candlesticks a little bit. And one of the things you'll notice here is today's candlestick is this green one here. What you're seeing there is a little aftermarket futures activity. Now today's candlestick, you'll notice, has a lower high, and the lower high on some slightly increasing volume, but it also has put in higher low. Now there was a correction in there, and what you might see if you change time frames is the possible forming of a double top. When you look at the tops of this candle here and this candlestick here, you'll notice they're relatively similar, and then that one has a lower high. So what you actually might be seeing is a head and shoulders forming intraday. Now to really see that and change, you want to drop in to change time frames, we'll have to go drop in here to say about 30 minutes. Left shoulder, head, maybe right shoulder. It has to break back down, but it failed to make a new high, and here's where we see kind of that higher low. So it can go either way. I think it's going to come down to how the market reacts to the Fed FOMC policy statement tomorrow. And if you really want to get a clear understanding of what the catalyst is for the market, I think technically speaking, the setup here is for a bearish retracement. And today's candlestick kind of showing some indecision. Tomorrow, before the rate announcement, expect very little movement. And in anticipation of the Fed FOMC policy statement, again, that's on our economic calendar. So let's go drop in and look at that. And what we're looking at here is just economic calendar. And on the economic calendar, we have an FOMC rate decision. And that is just to get an idea. You can see that in the economic calendar here on Forex Factor here inside of the trade center there. Links are available for both. Here's the FOMC policy statement and the federal funds rate. Expectation is that it's going to stay unchanged. And if you look at the odds, the CME Group's odds on the FOMC policy statement there being a rate change, we have an 85.7% chance that it stays the same. That's again for January 27th, and just a 14.3% chance that they increase that. Now, there's been some speculation that with the market dropping, they may lower the rates, but I don't think so. I think they're going to stay unchanged. And the market will kind of respond to not only the rate policies, on the interest rate itself, but to that little 900 some odd word statement they make after the fact. So expect a quiet market tomorrow until the rate decision, and then expect a knee-jerk reaction and then watch the market carefully as we head into Thursday. This is Coach D with TackleTrading.com here with your market update. We look forward to seeing you in the Coaches Show tonight.
Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.